Hey guys, it's George from Currys. Now today we're going to be running through all the steps that need to be taken while you wait for your brand new built-in oven so that installation can be completed on the day. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the route to the kitchen is clear and that there's enough space for your new kitchen appliance to get to its home. So what you want to do is walk the preferred route with a measuring tape so you can measure your hallways and doors so that there's enough room for the oven to fit through. Also, while you're doing this, you want to make sure that anything that's obstructing the route is moved out of the way. If you've booked an installation with us and chosen the Recycle My Old Appliance option, then you don't need to worry about unplugging it. However, if you haven't booked an installation and recycle, you need to make sure that an experienced engineer comes round to do this for you, whether it's gas or electric. Now you've probably already done this, but it's best to eliminate any last minute surprises by double checking the measurements of the oven space by measuring the height, width and depth carefully. Once you've done all that, make sure you have the relevant supply outlet nearby and double check that there's no loose combustible materials behind the oven location, such as pieces of wood or fabric. And once you're happy with all your checks, you're ready to go. If you want to find out more info on oven installations, then why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.